at the nail salon. Me and my boyfriend are about to get our nails done. So yeah, bald fingered right now, but not for long. What's up, y'all? It's Vlogmas. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you've been watching every single day, that is thumbs up to you, because I've been getting real tired, y'all. Filming every day is tiring. But okay, so today me and my baby are on our way to my holiday party. This is my first time getting to go to my job's holiday party, because last year I was just starting after they had their holiday party. So yes, I'm excited to go. It's at a piano bar, like a dueling piano bar. I've never been before, so we're gonna see. I'm just here for the drinks and the food, and we're gonna let them people just have their piano time, but I'm here for the drinks and the food for sure. So I'm gonna show y'all once we get in there. We on the way right now. We a little late. We 3 minutes away though, so y'all gonna see. Hello.
Lord.
Okay, y'all. Me and Booger about to try the snowman cake pop from Starbucks.
This is famous.
Yes. Mmm. It's the inside.
I know, pretty good.
What do you rate it, Booger?
I'd give it a solid 8.63.
Mmm.
That one was good.
I definitely give it a solid 8.659.
A little higher.
Oh no, goodness. Very scrumptious.
That was a purchase.
Y'all, we back in Dollar Tree. And guess what? My baby got the last bottle. I knew you should have made it to the league.
Where will I find it? I
The
don't want to
last
find anything. Yeah.
Okay, just
All
good.
right, so much support. So much support.
Okay, listen. It got tea tree oil
Mm.
and salicylic acid. That's what you need. Okay, wait. I need to go get something. Get in line though. Y'all, our oven done broke. And now we gotta call these people out as soon as I was about to make some tandoori chicken. Y'all lucky the recipe calls for a marination. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the fees if we do go forward with the repair? And would they be able to repair it same day?
It depends on the problem, ma'am. Actually, if it's a common problem and if the technician has the parts for that problem, he can fix it the same day. But if we order some parts, we will order them and we'll be back with the parts, and there will not be any additional service charge fee for the second visit. So, as I said, for the total cost, the repair cost, it depends on the problem. So we don't know what the exact issue is, what is the faulty part, and what needs to be done, what part needed to be replaced. So after checking the oven on site, the technician can let you know.
How much do they charge for labor? You said between what?
Between $185 and $315.
Okay, got you. I think we're gonna pass for right now. Thank you. That's an automatic 185. Y'all, a Adulting is kicking our butts. We're moving along with Vlogmas. Today is Saturday, and I don't really have much to do today, but I'm trying to vlog, so just come along with me. Right now, I just put a load in the washer so that it could wash, and then while that's happening, I'm gonna go take my quick weave out and do like a hair mask and stuff. Let me show y'all what I got for my hair. Okay, y'all, so I got this AphoG protein, 2-step protein treatment, little sample pack. And then I also got the AphoG keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I feel like my hair is like heat damage from this quick weave because I wasn't using the correct heat protectant. So that's hopefully gonna, you know, give my hair a little bit of moisture back. And then I'm gonna use some of this wild hair growth after to oil my scalp. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm hoping this is not an all-day process because my hair could be super tangly. So about to do that right now and show y'all the results. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair before I put the AphoG treatment in it. I just took down the braids from my quick weave. And yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like after. Okay, y'all, so the next step is to blow dry it with warm heat. So that's what I have to blow dry it, and then once it's dry, I have to wipe it out. Okay, y'all, so my hair is dry now, as you can see, and it's really hard. And that's what the instructions said it was gonna be. So we have to re-wet it now, and we have to, yeah, basically just re-wet it and get it out of our hair. It says, do not brush your hair while it's dry, so step 3 is to re-wet and gently rinse throughout with warm water. Remove all excess protein, towel dry. And then step 4 is to apply step 2, the balancing moisturizer. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is what my hair looks like after both of the treatments. I would say it did pretty good. Like, this is where I had my leave out in the quick weave, and it kind of reverted back a little bit, but it's still a little looser. So we knew that was coming. So I'm about to put some hair products in it, some Shea Moisture and some oils, and call it a day. Give my hair a little breaky break. I bought some more stuff. Oh, and I'm gonna put, you know, the wild growth oil. I bought some stuff to do my quick weave for Christmas and my anniversary coming up. It's gonna be a year, y'all. I know, so soon, right? But it seems like it's been forever. Yeah, so stay tuned.